2019 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 59,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as 4-wheel drive, backup camera, power driver seat, Bluetooth, front bucket seats, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, air conditioning, ABS. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.